Hello everyone, today let me introduce our thermal labels to you. Thermal label are a type of labels that is widely used in a range of industries such as logistics, retail, healthcare, and manufacturing. These labels are made of special materials that react to heat, allowing the labels to be printed without ink or toner. One popular form of thermal label is the thermal sticker roll. These rolls are designed to be loaded into thermal printers, allowing business to quickly print out large batches of labels. Thermal sticker rolls comes in a range of sizes and configurations, allowing business to choose the size and format that best suits their needs. And one popular style of thermal label is the 4x6-inch label. These labels are commonly used in the shipping industry, allowing business to print out labels for packages quickly and easily. Thermal shipping labels are designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring that the label remains legible throughout the shipping process. When it comes to purchasing thermal transfer paper, you can take a look what we made. No matter you want thermal sticker roll, thermal label 4x6, or thermal shipping labels, we have all of them with many options to meet your needs. In conclusion, thermal labels are an important tool for business across a range of industries. These labels are made of special materials that react to heat, allowing the labels to be printed without ink or toner. So this is today's video about thermal labels. Thank you again for your support. If you are interested in our thermal labels, or if you have any questions, please feel free to comment and contact us. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.